What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video I bought the cheapest tonneau cover I could find on eBay for my 02 Chevy Silverado. So let's open up the box, see what we got. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm kind of a little on the fence about it, but we'll see. Let's check it out. We got some clamps, some interesting clamps. So we got the rails. And then we actually have the tonneau cover itself. So yeah, let me get everything set up and we'll just take a little closer look here. I got the rails out here. They have these little clamps that go on the top here. They are adjustable, so you can slide them down where you need to go. So you have this seal. I'm going to put this on first on the front edge of the back of the bed there. So I'm going to do that first. We also have the other rail too along with those clamps. We have the hardware to put these clamps together, and then the other clamp here. So that's going to actually, so what that's going to do, say this is the top of your bed rail. That's going to go in there, and then if you see here, that's how it's kind of going to go. And your rail of the bed is going to be right through this square here. So let's get everything set up. I'm going to get this seal done in the front, and then we'll put these rails on. All right, there's no way this is sticking with the bed liner on there. This bed liner is actually pretty fresh, so yeah, that's not happening. So I'll throw on the seal to the side. So right now I'm just putting these clamps loosely on the rails just for now, so I can adjust the rails where I need them to be when I go to actually put the cover on. So I don't want them too tight because I want to be able to adjust this cover where I need it to go. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that with every rail, or both rails, every clamp. There's 6 clamps total, so just loosely get them on there and then we'll kind of go from there. Alrighty, got everything set up to get the cover on the front, so we're going to try to do that next. So on the cover itself, there's like these little slots here on the actual cover. It's going to slide into the front of those rails. So I'll do that real quick. Like I said, leave your clamps loose so you can get this in. It's a little tough. It's a little tough to do by yourself. Usually I've seen these where you do them off the truck, but I'm by myself and I really don't want to lift this whole thing up there, so I'm trying to cheat a little bit. But if you got a buddy or one of your kids or your wife or girlfriend or whatever, definitely do it on the ground first and then lift it up onto the truck. So there we go, that's it. Alright, so I have it kind of where I want it. I'm just going to see about the tailgate here. So I rolled the tailgate, or I rolled the tonneau cover out. I'm trying to get it lined up with the tailgate as best I can. So I rolled it out and just clamped it down. I'm just trying to adjust it to where it somewhat seals up the tailgate. It doesn't need to be perfect, but you know, I think we'll run with that. We'll start getting it tightened down. I mean, it's all right, so we're gonna roll this back up. I'm gonna tighten down the clamps. I think we got it to where we want it. So just tighten up these clamps. Alrighty, so I'm on the last one here. Just gotta get her tightened up. Using the provided Allen key for it, which was in the kit with the bolts. I got all the other ones tightened up. You guys know how to tighten bolts, I'm pretty sure. So I'll just show you the last one, then we'll roll this thing out, see how she looks. I believe I have it adjusted the way I wanted. So, kind of a bummer that we can't use that seal kit, but this bed liner is pretty fresh. I like sprayed this pretty recently. So, usually like 3M double-sided tape doesn't stick to fresh bed liner. Okay, that's tight. That's actually really tight. I'm actually shaking the whole truck, so. I'm a little off. Okay. Trying to do a one-handed here, guys. All right, so my first issue here is that the rails are too close together from side to side on the back here. So we're going to loosen it back up, pull these rails out a little bit. Alrighty, so I got the tonneau cover back in there. It fits kind of tight, but I can't go any farther away from it, so maybe it'll just like break in, I don't know. So, but let's close it if we can. Take some tension off of it. There we go. Hand along, perfect. I mean, honestly, the quality's not bad for. You pay like 140 bucks for this thing, if that even. Free shipping. So it looks good. Just make sure the tailgate still shuts. All right. Yep, tailgate still shuts. So hopefully it opens back up. Yep, so I got that. Okay. So yeah, that's done. All set. I'll keep an eye on everything. I'll make sure to retighten everything when we go down the road a few miles. But other than that, I think we're good. Looks really good. So we'll see how it holds up in the Wisconsin winters. We got the tonneau cover installed. Actually, it looks really good. I like it. I like how it's sitting. I like how it works. Seems to be working good. There's a little pull tether right here. Boom, comes up. Roll it up, and there's straps up front. I'm gonna do this one-handed for you, so you guys can see how easy this is. I do this for my customers at Ashland Ford with the low pros and stuff. The low pro from Tuxedo, and they're just amazed I can do it with one hand. But when you do these all the time, you kind of have that ability, I guess. But yeah, just roll it up one-handed. Grab the little straps here. You want to make sure straps are going where they need to, though. There. You don't want that. You don't want that flying off. So, but that ain't going nowhere. Then you just roll it back out. You gotta grab the other strap. I mean, it's a simple design. They definitely, you know, it's definitely a cheaper tonneau cover, but like the quality for the price I paid, I think it was like 130 some bucks, if I remember right. Maybe it might even be 125. And I'll put a link to the tonneau cover that this is. I'm still having trouble. It needs a little persuasion to get into this one, but not much. Then you just click her down. I click down this side. Boom. See? Tightened up. I like to run my hand down it. run my hand down this side. There it is. That's it. Shut the tailgate. And it's all set. Like I said, the fit and finish is good for the price. I mean, there's still, I mean, I could adjust this more, but there's still like a little gap there, but I'm not worried about that. I'm just happy how well it does fit for the price. So looks good. I like it. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Check out the link below. I'll post the link on eBay, from eBay, the one I actually bought. And then you guys can buy it for yourself if it looks, you know, good enough to you. I mean, it does to me, so. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Definitely hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. You guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. Thanks guys. Bye.